Can you reuse tea bags? As tea enthusiasts delve deeper into the world of flavors and blends, a common question arises. Can you reuse tea bags? This age-old query has sparked debates among tea aficionados, with some advocating for the sustainability and cost-effectiveness of reusing tea bags, while others argue that it compromises the quality of the brew. In this exploration, we'll navigate the various aspects of reusing tea bags, from the environmental impact to the potential flavor nuances that arise. The environmental perspective. In a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly crucial, the environmental impact of our daily choices is under constant scrutiny. Reusing tea bags can be seen as a small but significant step towards reducing waste. The production and disposal of tea bags contribute to environmental concerns, with many commercially available bags containing non-biodegradable materials like nylon or polypropylene. By reusing tea bags, individuals can lower their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. One might argue that the overall environmental impact can be mitigated by choosing tea bags made from biodegradable materials or opting for loose leaf tea. However, the reality is that a significant portion of tea bags on the market still contains non-compostable elements. Reusing these bags becomes a practical approach to lessen their negative impact on the environment. The quality of the second brew. Beyond the environmental angle, the key question for many tea enthusiasts revolves around the quality of the second brew. Does reusing a tea bag compromise the flavor, aroma, and essence that make each cup unique? The answer is a nuanced one. The first brew of a tea bag typically extracts the majority of the essential oils, flavors, and aroma. Subsequent brews may result in a milder version of the initial infusion, but this doesn't necessarily mean a loss of quality. Some teas, especially high-quality loose-leaf varieties, can withstand multiple infusions without sacrificing their character. Green teas, oolongs, and certain herbal blends are known for their ability to reveal distinct flavor profiles across multiple brews. However, it's crucial to note that not all teas are created equal when it comes to reusability. Black teas, for example, might lose their robustness after the first infusion, while delicate white teas may be more forgiving. Experimentation with different tea types and brands is key to finding the sweet spot for reusing tea bags without compromising taste. Tips for successful reuse. For those eager to embark on the journey of reusing tea bags, a few tips can enhance the experience. Store properly. After the initial brew, store used tea bags in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This prevents the growth of mold and bacteria, preserving the tea for future use. Quick reuse. Ideally, reuse the tea bag within 24 hours to capture the freshness of the leaves. The longer the tea leaves sit, the more they lose their aromatic qualities. Experiment with timing. Adjust the brewing time for subsequent infusions. A longer steeping time might be necessary to extract flavors from the tea leaves that were not fully released during the first brew. Blend with fresh leaves. Consider combining used tea bags with fresh leaves to create a unique blend. This can add complexity to the flavor profile and breathe new life into your cup. In the grand tapestry of tea culture, the question of whether to reuse tea bags is a subjective one. From an environmental standpoint, reusing tea bags aligns with the ethos of sustainability and waste reduction. On the flavor front, while the second brew might not match the intensity of the first, it offers a milder, nuanced cup that some may find appealing. Ultimately, the decision to reuse tea bags rests on personal preferences and the type of tea in question. Experimentation is the key to discovering the potential of your favorite tea bags beyond the initial steeping. Whether you choose to savor the first infusion's robustness or explore the subtleties of subsequent brews, the art of repurposing tea bags adds a layer of creativity and sustainability to the timeless ritual of tea enjoyment. As you continue your tea journey, remember that the world of tea is vast and diverse, offering a myriad of experiences for you to explore. If you found this exploration of reusing tea bags insightful, share it with your fellow tea enthusiasts. For more intriguing insights into the world of tea and other lifestyle topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest content. If you're on the lookout for tea bags that align with your taste buds, explore our collection at hummingbirdtearoom.com. And remember, it's never not tea time.